Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to snap your fingers louder. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. If you want to snap your fingers louder and snap as loud as you possibly can, this is definitely the video for you. It essentially comes down to two things. I'll explain what those two things are, and then I'll show you how to implement them into your regular snapping routine to make it as loud as you possibly can. It's basically, you're going to be able to make it as loud as you possibly can, and you're going to get the loudest snap that you can possibly get. All right, so without further ado, those two things are, number one, more pressure with your finger to finger, and number two, more force at the finger release. Okay, so let's break this down. Your snap is basically going to be like this: finger to finger, pressure, release. Okay, now if you don't put a lot of pressure, you're still going to get some sound, okay, but it's not going to be that loud. And also, if you don't have a lot of force at the release, if you put a lot of pressure but the release doesn't have a lot of force, a lot of pressure but still not a lot of force, so you don't get a loud snap. The way you get that loud snap is with those two things: finger to finger, good amount of pressure, and then when you release, you want a lot of force on that release and get this middle finger to hit the palm with all that pressure. You want it to land just like this. So look at this: pressure, finger to finger, and then a good amount of force on the release, just like that. And that force on the release will cause this finger to land on the palm and really get that nice loud snapping sound. That's it. Honestly, it's that simple. That's what it comes down to. Good amount of pressure, okay? And then force on the release. You get, whoa, that was so loud. Holy. That's it. And it just takes practice. So just keep practicing. And it's going to get louder and louder. You're going to notice you might have a couple soft ones, right? And then you get a loud one. You're like, wait, what did I do differently? Finger to finger pressure and then force on the release. Just like that. And land that middle finger on the palm. That's the key. Land it right there and you'll get a good amount of sound. And also, if you see right here, my middle finger is landing on the palm, but it's also landing on this finger. I believe that's creating enough of like a little bit of an air gap to create that loud sound as well. I believe that adds to it. But I think even if I had my finger to the side, no, you know what? So I have to add that in. A key here is making the land on this finger right here as well. That's what gets that loud snapping sound. I honestly didn't know that till now. I thought it was all based on the finger to finger pressure and then the force upon release, but it's got to be on this finger too. There you go. So that's the key: landing on the palm and on this finger right over here. Okay? You have to land like this. Perfect. And experiment with how much this finger is sort of coming in or out. Like this to you. Oh yeah. That's it right there. Till you get that great loud snapping sound. And that's it. So hopefully you stayed till the end of the video, because that's where the sort of real trick came out. But it is based on finger to finger pressure and the force upon release. But definitely having it land in the right spot is what takes it to the next level of loud snapping sounds. And that's truly it. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.